First, take out 5 color lines and put them in slots 1 and 2, slots 3 and 4, slots 5 and 6, slots 7 and 8, slots 9 and 10 respectively. Step 1. Take line 8 on line 9 and line 10 with double knots on the right hand. At this time, line 8 will be left in slot 10. Step 2. Take line 7 on line 8, line 9 with double knots on the right hand. Then line 8 will be left in slot 9. Step 3. Take line 6 on line 7 and line 8 with double knots on the right hand. At this time, line 6 will be left in slot 8. Step 4. Take line 5 on line 6 and line 7 with double knots on the right hand. At this time, line 5 will be left in slot 7. Step 5. Take line 4 on line 5 and line 6 with double knots on the right hand. At this time, line 4 will be left in slot 6. Step 6. Take line 3 on line 4 and line 5 with double knots on the right hand. At this time, line 3 will be left in slot 5. Step 7. Take line 2 on line 3 and line 4 with double knots on the right hand. At this time, line 2 will be left in slot 4. Step 8. Take line 1 on line 2 and line 3 with double knots on the right hand. At this time, line 1 is left in slot 3. Step 9. Take line 3 on line 2 and line 1 with double knots on the left hand. At this time, line 3 will be left in slot 1. Step 10. Take line 4 on line 3 and line 2 with double knots on the left hand. At this time, line 4 is left in slot 2. Step 11. Take line 5 on line 4 and line 3 with double knots on the left hand. At this time, line 5 is left in slot 3. Step 12. Take line 6 on line 5 and line 4 with double knots on the left hand. At this time, line 6 will be left in slot 4. Step 13. Take line 7 on line 6 and line 5 with double knots on the left hand. At this time, line 7 will be left in slot 5. Step 14. Take line 8 on line 7 and line 6 with double knots on the left hand. At this time, line 8 will be left in slot 6. Step 15. Take line 9 on line 8 and line 7 with double knots on the left hand. At this time, line 9 will be left in slot 7. Step 16. Take line 10 on line 9 and tie double knots on the left hand on line 8. At this time, line 10 will be left in slot 8. Repeat step 1 to step 16 until the length is appropriate. This simple and beautiful friendship bracelet is ready.